What's up, y'all? I know it's been a while, a long time, but thinking about getting back and opening some stuff on here. I was lucky enough to find one of these today. Can't find basketball anywhere. But anyway, I've debated on whether or not to bust this or flip it. I'm gonna bust it. And I'm gonna do it right here on YouTube for everyone to see. So, wish me luck. Let's get some colorful Zions. That would be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. 1920 Mosaic. 4 cards a pack. Pack 1. Make these things easier to open. That'd be great. Kyle Lowry, Thaddeus Young, Heinrich Williams. That's one of the Prism. And Ty Jerome, rookie. Pack 2. Valanciunas. You know his name. LaMarcus Aldridge. Oh my, look at that. That is beautiful. LeBron James, Prism. Nice. And a Hall of Fame, Dominique. Yeah. That is a beautiful card. Oh yeah. Nice. Set that to the side. Pack 3. Good start. Oh, look who that is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Luca. Isaiah. Oh, it's a greenie.